Hi, fourth grade. We've been learning about poetry this past week, and here's something that you can do as a poet, something that writers use to help readers quickly understand an idea. Many poets use similes and metaphors. So, a simile compares two things. It always uses the words like or as. Readers can quickly understand a meaning with a simile. It gives an example to the reader. It paints a picture in the reader's mind. For example, you are as sweet as sugar, or I am as cool as a cucumber. Hopefully, those sentences painted a picture in your mind so you could imagine what I meant. So here are some poems with simile. The first one is called Flint. Now, a flint is a stone that helps start a fire, but it's not very beautiful like an emerald or a ruby. Also in these poems, I've underlined the similes so that you can see them. All of these have as or like in them. So here we go. Flint. An emerald is as green as grass, a ruby red as blood. A sapphire shines as blue as heaven, a flint lies in the mud. A diamond is a brilliant stone to catch the world's desire. An opal holds a fiery spark, but a flint holds the fire. By Christina Rossetti. And you all should know this one, The Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. That's by Jane Taylor. She was saying that the star is like a diamond. What do you think? So next we're going to go to metaphor. Metaphor is a comparison of two things that does not use like or as. A metaphor compares things that are not alike but have something in common, such as color, shape, or sound. It is an indirect comparison. For example, the classroom was a zoo. If I were to say that, hopefully your mind would think of someplace that was loud with a lot of action going on. Or if I said, "You are my sunshine," you might think of the song and think that you are somebody that makes me happy. Let's look at a poem with metaphor. So this poem is called Past, Present, and Future. So the poet here is asking a child what time is like for them. And you will see here that the quotation marks are where the child is speaking. So here it goes. Tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thee. An autumn evening soft and mild, with a wind that sighs mournfully. Tell me, what is the present hour? A green and flowery spray, where a young bird sits gathering its power to mount and fly away. And what is the future, happy one? A sea beneath the cloudless sun, a mighty, glorious, dazzling sea, stretching into infinity. That is by Emily Bronte. So I'm going to ask you these questions now, and you're going to answer them in your writing. So the poet was asking the child what time is like for them. What is the past like? What is the present like? What is the future like? What are your clues? Do you agree with the child? What is time like to you? So let's go on. We're going to talk about what we're going to do for our writing assignment. You are reading and watching the slideshow now. For today's writing work, you can write in your own notebook and email a picture of it to your teacher, or you can complete the Google Doc. You're going to complete the similes, find 3 of your own. You're going to write a poem with at least 5 lines that has at least 1 simile. Next, you're going to answer questions about the poem, past, present, and future, just like I read in the last slide. And finally, you're going to rewrite past, present, and future using metaphors that show how you feel about time.